Let me show you guys how fast I can remove the stock bumper on this Genesis G70. Most modern cars are kind of a pain in the butt, but let me show you what we're gonna do. We have these push pins right here all the way around, and after you get that off, there's a few bolts right here, 10 millimeters, or M6 1.0, and then there's a bolt on this side, and then on the opposite side right here, inside the wheel well, there are bolts right here. There's a 8 millimeter, I think, and then a few push clips. So let's see how fast I can actually remove this, because I've never timed it. I'm gonna guess maybe 5 minutes. Let's go. Okay, to be fair, if you're a Genesis guy, you probably have already realized that these upper clips are terrible. Sorry, Genesis. Not everything you guys do I love. These clips are absolutely trash because they don't click when you press the center. You have to finagle it like this, and you end up dropping the little bit into the car. It's like the stupidest clip design I've ever seen. And yes, I'm saying something negative about the Genesis for once, because this clip design's total trash. And I literally just lost 2 pins somewhere in here, and now they're lost. Top bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts up top, and then 1 in the corner. Corner. That's an M8? Are you kidding me? One bolt on the corner. This one, if you drop it, sucks. Oh, come on. I'm telling you. The longest thing here is taking out the stupid clips. And the regular push clips. Like, seriously. Okay. Alright, so that's off. Now we go to the side. Okay. Nice. And then pop clips. Flathead. One, 2. One. This pry tool is so much better. 2. There you go. Bottoms. These are just pop clips again. Easy to remove with the tool. Okay. Dude, I might be ahead. I don't know if this has been 5 minutes yet. Another one, and last one. All right, I think that's it. Okay. Now the scary part. You have to pull hard and it'll pop right here. Oh. God. That shit sounds scary. Okay. One more push clip that I didn't see. And of course I cut myself. Okay. Same here. Pop. And then behind here there's a little connector. This one's kind of a trick to remove. There you go. Now, take this whole thing off. And voila, we're done.